What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So, Native Instruments has released a brand new. Really? Take three. Oh my. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So, Native Instruments has announced a brand new complete instrument. This one is called Session Bassist Upright Bass. And if you're not familiar with the Native Instruments library collection of basses, they have Icon Bass as well as Prime Bass, and probably a few others I might be forgetting. But today we're taking a look at Upright Bass. And this one, when I think about upright bass, I think about orchestral sounds and maybe some waltz music or jazz type of music. And I'm really excited to show you how realistic this bass sound. It just sounds very three-dimensional. And we're gonna be combing through some of the presets as well as the patterns. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video all about upright bass. All right, so here we are inside of the upright bass. And what I want to do is just kind of comb through some of the presets here. So this one's called 6/8 Blues. We're going to go to the melody. And this is going to allow me to play every note individually instead of having the pattern. So let me go ahead and load this one here. So you guys kind of get the idea there. And this one is called In the Street. And I like this one a lot here. Check out this one here. Now let's go back to the top and go over some of the patterns here. This one's called 6/8 blues. And remember, you can always program your own patterns as well. Speed up that tempo a little bit. Yeah, see that one right there? It really sounds as if someone's like right in front of me, really just kind of slapping it. Listen to that one more time. Yeah, I really like the way that one sounds. It's very three-dimensional. That one sounds like some unsolved mysteries or something. So you can kind of get the idea of what Upright's bass has to offer. Also, why I want to show you some of the controls on the screen here. So if you click this icon here, it kind of looks like a piano, and it shows you the articulation, the patterns, the slides. It just kind of shows you what the key corresponds to. So these are like key switches here. So check this out here. So really cool stuff there. And then down here, you can see how you have your different patterns, mono, poly, you have your settings for your bass. So adjust the different microphones, how wide you want the sound to be. You have a low cut, so if it's too much on the low end, you could kind of shave it off a little bit. You also have that volume control. And again, this is how it's mic'd. So you can hear that string sound. Change the tone. Add some noise. Change the tuning on it. Just a lot of different things you can do in these sub menus here. Then this is the amps and effects, so you can come in here and really shape the sound here. And that's pretty much upright bass. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. It's your boy Young Fizz, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.